वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमानायं दिव्यमहेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। भाष्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। So after Eki Pararupam and the Vaktika Sukandvadeshi Pararupam Vachim, both Goshtayogo Samaseva, the next sutra is Oma Goscha 6195. 6195 Oma Goscha. That is Oma Goscha that we can see that something that when Om Shabda and An Upasarga this follows the Avarana method. In both the Purva and Para will be replaced by Manadu. Purva letter is Akara, Avarna, followed by Om. Om is O. A plus O, what Sandhi generally it will be? A plus
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Apavana.
Au.
Om Shabda follows the Avarna, then O will be the Adesha. Only Om Shabda, not any other Shabda. That's what Apavada to Vriddhi Sandhi. Similarly, An Upasarga. The An Upasarga, it is maybe there visibly, or that An may be the Upasarga, may be the Anga. It is the not Anga. It has that Ang Upasarga. The word as is made of this Ang Upasarga. Made of means is built with this Ang as the Upasarga. That let's see example. Understand? You may not see the Ang deliberately, this Ang directly, but it is there. So Ang Upasarga. So now Avarna followed by A. What will happen? Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Therefore, this sutra also Apavada. Apavada to Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. This sutra also Apavada. This Ang Upasarga part leading to Just start properly. A plus A, it is not Savarna Dirgha. Ang Upasarga, Upasargika, the word follows, but the Ang is there. You don't see the Ang directly, you will see some other letter. Guna letter you will see. If the Guna letters are A or O, so it means Avarna followed by A and O. A or O. What Sandhi generally you will apply Vriddhi? That will not apply. Pararupa will apply. Like the Om Shabda. That is what the rule says. Example, Shivaya plus Om, A plus O. Vriddhi will happen. It will not happen. It is Pararupa. Shivaya Om Namaha. Shivaya plus Om Namaha. Similarly, Shiva plus Ehi. Ehi is Vidyapadam. Ehi. Ehi is not Lakar. Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga Davehi. Remember, that is the statement. Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga Davehi. Can you, anybody? Can you all hear me? Make a signal.
Yes, Ji.
Have you heard the statement? Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga Davehi. No. Rama. You would have heard the Ata Ashvalayano Bhagavantam
Okay.
Parameshwara Upasametyo
Kaivalya. Kaivalya.
Adhika Bhagava Brahma Vidya Marishtam.
Yeah.
There comes Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga Davehi.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
In some books, Avehi is given. Okay, Kaivalya we will see. Kaivalya is a very beautiful Upanishad, but a lot of things to be discussed in that Kaivalya. It's a plus very profound. There, I don't know whether you saw this word. You studied this, whether you analyzed this word. Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga Avehi. In some books, it is Avehi is given. There was a discussion, not in the Upanishad, there was a discussion when we studied whether it is Avehi or Avehi. Because Ava plus Egi, Ava plus Egi, A plus A, if you apply Vriddhi Sandhi, becomes Avehi. And Upanishad, does it use Avehi or Avehi? If Upanishad uses Avehi, it could be Chandasam. It is Avehi, then it is by this rule, Omangoscha. Ava plus Ehi. What is Ehi? Ehi is, Dhatu is in Dhatu with Ang Upasarga. So Ehi, the Kriya Padam, is said to be having the Ang Upasarga. Angtvam Asti. That Ang, the status of being Ang is there. Ehi is the Kriya Padam, which has the Dhatu is in Gatau. It means to go. Ehi means to come. Ehi iti agutayas. In Mundaka Upanishad also they are going to see Ehi. Lot Lakara Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. So Ehi. So Ang Upasarga is there. But you don't see Ang directly here. A only you see that A plus E has become what?
Guna.
Why it is Guna? Why not Vriddhi?
Yes, sir. Guna letter.
Why not Vriddhi, I'm asking?
Okay. Okay.
What, if I ask you, okay, how Vriddhi is possible? Tell me.
It's Ik letter, right? Paraletter.
Huh?
You said E, right? So E is Ik letter, right?
E is letter?
Ik.
Vriddhirechi is should be like H letter. A is right, correct. A. Okay.
A plus E because
A plus
E.
because A is
Okay, I think you understand my question. I'll tell you. Ichati is the word. Okay.
Okay.
What is its lung form?
Oh, okay. Because of
Ichat.
Atagama, yeah. Vriddhi will happen, yeah.
What is it form? Ichati lung lakara form.
Aichat.
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 There
Aichat.
also A plus E only. What happened?
Okay,
Vriddhi.
everything.
Vriddhi.
Here also A plus E. What will happen?
Oh.
What will
Okay, because
Vriddhi
yeah,
should
because it is Appavada, so only it's not happening. Okay.
think? You have to think. You're missing. I intentionally, deliberately wanted to confuse you. That's why asking this question. To see clearly, distinctly between the two different things. Two things are different, but you have to see it as different. There should not be any Agyaropa. Mix up. There, you said Vriddhi. Krishnaji, you said correctly the word. You used one word. What is the word you said?
Atagama.
What is that? Art agama.
Artascha Vriddhi, yeah.
Art is an agama. Here is an agama.
Artascha Vriddhi is a rule, right?
Art is an agama. Okay. Here, ang is there. Is it an agama? Agama. Is it an agama?
Ang is Upasarga.
So, sir, therefore, Vriddhi will not happen.
Okay.
Oh.
Not happen. It's bad. I told you no. Deliberately to confuse, I'm asking this. A plus C, why not Vriddhi?
Okay.
Vriddhi can happen when if it is an art agama.
Okay.
Here it is not art. It's not an agama. This is a upasarga. Ang is a upasarga. Okay. Therefore,
Okay.
this if you remember art agama, then this confusion can come. If you don't remember, no problem.
Nothing will come.
No problem. Why I am saying? Because this confusion, all this confusion I have undergone. That's why I'm very clear. That is why I'm asking you now.
Okay.
I have confused why the Vidya has not happened. I scratched my head for one full day or for one full week. Finally, we'll come up thinking with, oh, this is a Git letter. It is a small thing. It's a Git letter. Here it is a Git letter. There it is Agama. This is not an Agama. Come on. To discover this, it will take 1 week. Because we will miss this small thing. What we think is A plus E, Vriddhi. But it's not Vriddhi. A plus E is Vriddhi. If A is a part of the Agama, it Agama art, right?
Okay.
Ang is a Upasarga. So A plus, yes, A plus E, what will happen? Gunasandhi. A will, that is fine. This E is in Gato, okay. This in Gato, in is a letter. So, therefore, you get Egi. Now, Egi is a word which has got the Upasarga. Why I am saying it is not seen directly there? See, Agachati. There you see A very clearly. Gachati, Agachati. Right? The
Yeah.
A is very seen. But here you don't see it. Egi. A is there. Ang is there. So, Angtom Asti. Even though A plus E has become Guna, but still A is there or not? Ang Upasarga. It is there. So therefore, when Avarna is followed by this Ang Upasarga, where is Ang, you may ask? It is there. Angtam Asti. Iti Vibhavaniyam. You have to see it as Vibhavaniyam means you have to have that Bhavana, you have to recognize that it has Ang letter only. And where is A? That is A. A plus E has become A. Therefore, A plus A will be replaced by, not by Vriddhi. Generally Vriddhi. But here, because of this rule, if the following letter has the Upasarga on, either directly it is there or it has undergone change because of the Sandhi rules, but still it is Ang only. Therefore, Pararupam will be the Adesha in the place of Purva and Para. So Shiva plus Egi will become Shivegi, not Shivaigi. This is the discussion for that Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga, Avehi or Avehi, that discussion was there. In some books, some traditional mud books, this Avehi also was there. They took it as Chandasam. In Kaivalya Upanishad I'm talking about. But applying the Omangoscha, the Panini Sutram, we get Avehi only. In some books it is printed as Avehi. So we can take both, no problem. If it is Avehi, it is Chandasam. If it is Avehi, it is as per the rule of the Panini Magarishi. 6195. Omangoscha, it is Avehi. Understand this? Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
Ji.
sir.
Yes,
Ji.
Ji.
Omangoscha, 6195. So now we will see that. Omangoscha. Okay, before that, can you all follow the Sanskrita these points what we discussed in the Mundaka Upanishad class? Is it followable?
Samasajja. Yeah.
Samasa and other things also, but I reduced
Yeah.
the Vashyam follow
Yes, Jay, we can follow. Yeah.
Ji.
Yes, Ji.
because you would have seen the only mantra Molam before, I think, right?
Yeah.
Now with the Vashyam,
We
more
saw
clear.
with Bhashyam only, but that time I didn't understand anything.
Now you understand.
Yeah, now I understand a bit with your explanation. Yeah, I can follow at least.
Okay. This explanation is understandable.
Yes, Jay. Yeah.
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Omangoscha 6195. Om Angoho, Omangoho. What vibhakti is that? What is given already?
Yes.
What vibhakti?
Yeah.
What is the Pratipadikam?
Omang.
Huh?
Omang. Okay. Omang.
Omang. Like what?
Omang. Ramasabda only.
Rama Shabda. Rama Shabda, Rama Yoga. Omanga Yoga must be there.
Omangayo. Okay. Omang.
What Shabda is that?
Marut.
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 Simple. Marut. Marutoho.
Yeah.
Right? Omang is the Shabda. Omangoho. Why it is Saptami Bhakti? You know the rule now. We have seen the chat just now.
Tasmin.
So why it is Saptami? Because it follows, that's what Saptami.
Yeah.
That's what we saw the example. Like Shivaya,
Yeah.
Ava plus
Yeah, follows.
Follows. Therefore it is Saptami. You can take it as Shashti. You can take it as only when it is the
Stani. Stani.
Stani. Yeah, when it is Stani, we can take. This is not the Stani. O or Ang follows. Follows what? Follows what? You know the rule. You know the rule. Both already we have seen.
Follows A or A. Yeah.
Where it is in the sutra. We are in 6195.
It comes from the Anuriti then. Should be.
Aat guna hai.
Ad Gunaha. That is why keep the sutra pata open. Pata open. We have seen the rule from the Sandhi chart. I explained the Sandhi chart. Now we have to see the sutra pata and bringing all the words required as anuvritti for the completion of the sutra. 6195 Omangoscha is that Om and Ang. We said it follows. That was Saptami Vibhakti. Fine. What follows the Avarna Visa, right? Akara or Akara. Where it is there, that must come as Anuvritti. Comes as Anuvritti from Ad Gunaha. Ad is there. It goes as Anuvritti up to 96. Right? So this is the PDF, what I'm sharing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, Ji.
So ad gunaha, ad comes as anuvritti. So ad is what?
Abarnath.
Varna ad. Ad is not tapragata kalasya.
Mm.
It is Avarnath. Amad. So Avarnath. Akara or akara. Avarnath parasya om इति पदे शब्दे परे और आंग उपसर्गिक पदे परे, right, followed by the padam which beginning with which is om, not any other letter, okay, om, or the padam which is beginning with ang upasarga, okay. One is om shabda, other one is ang upasargika shabda. Important, remember.
Mm.
Then what is stani? What is stani now?
Tanika.
Stani.
Purva para yoga, both.
Both are replaced. Therefore, Purva Prayoga 6184 comes as Anuvritti, which goes as up to 111. And we are in 6195. Right? Therefore, Purva Prayoga Stane. That comes as Anuvritti. So, Avarnath, Omangoho, Ade, Purva Prayoga Stane, Kim Adesha Bhavati.
Mm.
Pararupam.
Pararupam is the Anuvritti from 6194.
Mm.
Pararupam. That's all. The Vritti is done. Right? All the words brought into this. So the rules we have seen. Now the sutra also we have seen. Therefore it is complete. Now you can see the sutra. Omang goscha. Cha is avyayam. Ad comes as anuvritti 6187. Pararupam from the previous sutra 6194. Achi not required anyway. If it is required, you can bring in. Achi comes as anuvritti from 6177. Equal in Achi. Now, this is under the important adhikara Samhitayam. So, Samhitayam. Purva Parayogo is 6184. Now, Avarnath Parasya Om Shabde Pare. Particularly Om. And Ang Shabde Cha Pare. Ang is a Upasarga. So, Ang Upasargika Shabde Pare. Purva Parayoga Stane. Pararupaka Adesha Bhavati. That is the sutra. We can write our vritti. We can write the sutra in our own language. अकारात् आकारात् परः यदि ओम शब्दः आम् उपसर्गः आगच्छति तर्हि पूर्वप्रयोः एकः पररूपः आदेशः जायते। शिवाय प्लस ओम शिवाय आ प्लस ओम शिवायोम शिवायोम मह इति अत्र वृत्तिरेचि इति अनेन प्राप्तां वृत्तिं बाधित्वा. Why baditva? Because apavada. Vriddhim baditva pararupa ekadeshah bhavati. Vriddhirechi iti sutrasya apavadaha etat sutram omangoscha. Vriddhirechehe apavadaha engi pararupam pararupam anuvritya atra agacchati. Therefore, omangoscha api vriddhirechehe अपवाद सूत्र. शिव प्लस एगी शिवेगी अत्रापि एगी इति आंग उपसर्ग पूर्वकम इंदातोः लोट् लकारस्य मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनस्य रूपमस्ति. एगी तु लोट् लकार मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन रूपम तत्र आंग अस्ति. Therefore एगी इति शब्दस्य आंगतो अस्ति. आंग प्लस इन प्लस ई एगी. अतः अत्र अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रसक्तः अस्ति. Therefore this sutra has its application here. Why? Because ang is there. Therefore you have to take it as ang upasargika shabda follows. Yes, the ang upasarga is there, but we don't see ang, but it has undergone change, but still angtam asti. That is how we have to see, look upon this egi, the a as आ अतः पररूपः आदेशः भवति पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने विशेषः व्हाट इज विशेष शिव प्लस एकी अस्मिन् उदाहरणे एकी एतत् इन् धातोः एकादादिः रूपमस्ति यस् धातु एकादादिरूपम् अत्र अतः अत्र एति एदति उत्सु the sutra we are going to see but we know the rule what is eti edati utsu
That Yeti and Yedati, when followed by a Avarna letter, then both will be replaced by the Vriddhi letter.
letter this letter follows following the avarna letter okay this letter follow the avarna so
Yeah.
avarna letter followed by eti what is eti what is edati utsu leave it present
That's in Dhatu.
eti is indatu eti stands for indatu the form of indatu eti referring to eti is latlakara prathama purusha ekavachanam of the dhatu in it is not that actually we have talked about dhatu nirdesha before if you remember so we are going to see that sutra
We saw Ji that one.
sutra we have seen
Yes.
has it gone before
Yeah, Ji, before.
Yes.
oh then it is simple okay then eti edati utsu I think in the sutra list it comes later I think okay
Yeah, this week came after.
the list
but
it
we-
comes later we have seen this
Yes.
so eti edati utsu eti stands for the forms of indatu which begins with a okay so if you find it difficult say take this sandhi chart you will see that sandhi chart it's helpful in many ways go and see eti edati utsu what does it say when age of indatu that is called eti age of indatu means age rupam that is the forms of indatu which begins with age that is eti yeshi yemi these are the latlakara forms where this indatu whose the form begins with a letter a eti yeshi a similarly edridhatu when this follows a avarna then purva parayogosthane vriddhihi adesha bhavati like the example upa plus eti what is eti eti is the form of the indatu which begins with h letter a therefore upa plus eti a plus a what will happen generally what will happen
Vriddhi.
generally
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi happen.
really
R plus A with I.
generally vriddhi will not happen just now we saw pararupa sandhi
Pararupa Sandhi.
what is it sandhi
Yeah.
what rule what sutra will apply
Enga Padantadati.
no yenga
No. No, that.
yenga padantat is purva padam is ending with eng where is purva padam ending with eng purva padam ending with avarna right
Oh, yeah.
Yengi Pararupam. That is
very good
Yengi
that is what it is yengi pararupam right that only pararupam starts
Yeah.
yengi is what eng letter follows is a o follows what avarna what will happen pararupa will be the adesha when
Yeah.
avarna is
It is
followed by
Apavada.
eng pararupam will be the adesha that is should be applicable here right
Yes.
Pararupa must come. It must be upeti, but it doesn't apply. Therefore, only vriddhi. Understand?
Okay.
It is not vriddhi you apply immediately. Vriddhi, apavada to vriddhi is engi pararupam. That must be applied. But that also not applied. That apavada to pararupam is back to vriddhi. Then vriddhi is applied. this sutra is that eti, edati, utsu. That is a connection. That is
Okay.
apavada to vriddhi is engi pararupam. Apavada to engi pararupam is eti, edati, utsu. That is vriddhi, right? So,
Yeah.
sutra, what you will apply if I ask, you have to say pararupam. But pararupam is not applied. Vriddhi is applied.
Mm.
Okay. So therefore, upaiti you get. Upa
Okay.
plus eti, upaiti. Upa plus edate, upaidate. Understand?
Yes, Jaya.
These things already in the Sandhi context discussed.
Yeah.
I'm only refreshing what we are seeing. Now, here what he say, Vishesha. अत्र अतः अत्र एति एदति उत्सु इत्यस्यापि प्रसक्तः अस्ति अस्ति वा नास्ति वा शिव प्लस एगी दिस एग्जांपल शिव प्लस एगी अस्मिन् उदाहरणे
Mm.
एति एदति उत्सु अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रसक्तिः अस्ति वा नास्ति वा
Yes, Jaya.
Yes.
why because egi is
Ehi is in dhatu's form of in dhatu.
form of the indatu only
Mm.
हि अस्ति अत्र therefore eti edati utsu also applicable
Mm.
also applicable and what will happen अत्र कस्य प्रयोगः करणीयः what प्रयोगः has to be used what sutra you have to use eti edati utsu iti
Mm.
also iti अस्य अपवादः अस्ति वा एति यदति उत्सु इति ओमांगश्च इति अस्य अपवादः अस्ति वा अंडरस्टैंड
Yes,
एति
Jaya.
यदति उत्सु इज इट अपवादः टू ओमांगो अपवादत्वं देयर आर नॉट अस्य उत्तरम् अनया परिभाषया लभ्यते परिभाषा is interpretation or definition which is paribhasha not the paribhasha sutra paribhasha is separately is that the book paribhasha Endu Shekhara book is that Nagesh I think written the book there some paribhashas are given paribhashas are the that is then there is a conflict or something is that to resolve that certain paribhashas certain prescriptions are given those are called paribhashas how the sutra to be understood interpreted those are called paribhashas paribhasha sutras are also there that is different that is in the very Panini sutra pata itself that is different this is different Purastat apavadaha anantaran vidin vadante na uttaran. Understand the paribhasha? Purastat apavadaha anantaran vidin vadante na uttaran. You will not understand
So
it.
this comes 95 is after that this 81. So Abdiya.
It is explained. Now,
No. Omangastar comes as 95. And this one is 81. So Purastat Abhavadaha means that comes after. Is that like that?
Purastat iti yukte utsarga sutrat prag. That means utsarga sutrat prag. Before
Okay.
utsarga sutra.
Which is the Utsarga.
Utsarga sutra. Purastat in the paribhasha, it means before the Utsarga sutra. Antara vidin badate. Badante. Antara vidihi means iti yukte. Saha Utsarga vidihi yaha apavada sutrat anantaram pratamaha agacchati saha. Anyesham Utsarga vidinam apekshaya pratamaha agacchati. So, Utsarga Sutrat Prak Purastat Apavadaha. Ataha Asyaha Paribhashayaha Artham Ayam. Apavada Sutram Tasmat Anantarasya Kevalam एकस्य सूत्रस्य एव अपवादरूपेण कार्यं करोति तदनन्तरं विद्यमानानां सूत्राणाम् अपवादरूपेण कार्यं न करोति अपवादसूत्रात् पूर्वं विद्यमानानां तु अनेकानां सूत्राणाम् अपवादरूपेण कार्यं कर्तुं शक्नोति Understand this? Yes or no?
Again, we have to
It's
read.
not clear. Ji.
See, now Yengi Pararupam is there, right?
Mhm.
Yengi Pararupam, it is Pararupa Sandhi. There, Yengi Pararupam, when I say you have to remember what is that Yengi Pararupam. When Yang letter follows, Pararupa is the Adesha. In the place of Purva and Para, Purva is Avarna, Para is Yengi. Eti Edati Utsu is what? That is all. There also Yeti. Take the example of only Yeti. There also Yeti, that Yang letter is there, following the Avarna. Purva Parayogastani kim Adesha Bhavati? Pararupam va? Yes or no?
Or you, yeah.
No. Yeti.
No,
For
Apavada
Yeti
and
Adati,
Pararupam.
Pararupam. Yeah.
Vritti.
Vriddhi.
What,
Yeah,
what is
Vriddhi.
the connection between Yengi Pararupam and Yeti Edati Utsu?
Mm.
It's an apavada.
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 Is a Apavada. Now, look carefully. So, for Vritti Rechi, the Apavada is Yengi Pararupam.
Yengi Pararupam.
194. The Yengi
Yeah.
Pararupam, again the Apavada is
Yeti Adati also.
Edati Utsu, which is 6189. Here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, Yengi Pararupam, Apavada to Yengi Pararupam is Eti Edati Utsu. Now, for Vritti Rechi, what is Apavada? I said
Yengi Pararupam.
Yengi Pararupam.
Yengi Pararupam, Vritti Rechi number is
Vriddhi Rechi number
188.
It's
Yengi Pararupam number is
6194.
94.
694. Therefore, it is Para Apavada. Yes. Para Apavada means Apavada
That
comes
comes after.
comes after.
later, right? Apavada which comes after the Utsarga is called Para Apavada. Understand? First you understand Para Apavada. Then we will see what is Purva Apavada. Clear?
Yes. Ji.
The number, then you will be clear. 6188 is Vriddhi. 6194 is Apavada, therefore Para Apavada. Now, Yengi Pararupam is Utsarga with respect to Eti Edati Utsu. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Yes.
Yengi Pararupam number is what?
94.
94.
For which the Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada. And it's up.
89.
Yeah, 89.
It's Purva Para.
Purva.
Purva.
Therefore, Purva Apavada. Right or no?
Okay.
Yes. Ji.
Now you understand Para Apavada, Purva Apavada.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
understand.
Yeah. Yes. Ji.
Apavada need not always be after, remember.
Okay. Okay.
Can be
Okay.
before also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can be even before also. So, Eti O Edati Utsu is Purva Apavada. Clear?
Yes. Sir.
Yes. Ji.
Purva Apavada. Therefore, now we go and read this. You will understand. Purastat Apavadaha Anantaran Vidhi Badante Na Uttaran. Now you understand this?
Yes. Ji.
What? SD, tell me what is that? Purastat Apavada.
Purastat Apavada was before.
Purva Apavada. Right? That comes
Yes.
Purastat. In the example, Eti Edati Utsu is the Purva Apavada to what sutra? Yengi Pararupam. Clear?
Yes.
Are you all with me? I think you had followed.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ji.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, Ji.
Taking your hands slowly to that and showing. This is all like drawing the picture. So Purva Apavada is Eti Edati Utsu. Now, Anantaran Vidin Badante. What does it mean? Anantara Vidhi. Antara means what? Gap. Antara. Anantara means
No gap.
No gap.
complete. Huh? No gap. It means
No gap.
follows immediately.
Okay.
So, purastat apavadaha anantaran vidhi badante. Badante is negate.
Affecting. Negating.
So, purva apavada negates the immediate following utsarga vidhi.
Mm.
Purva apavada sutra immediately. Purva sutra is the apavada, and that apavada it displaces the immediately following utsarga vidhi, utsarga sutra, right?
Mm.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. See.
Okay. Now, this yengi pararupam is utsarga. Apavada is eti edati utsu. So eti edati utsu, it has the status of the apavada before purva apavada, right? Purva apavada tum asti. So the purva apavada will negate what sutra? Yengi pararupam, because it is the next immediate following sutra. No gap in between. No gap in means we're talking about the utsarga following the apavada. Other sutras may be there, but the utsarga, what follows the apavada, is only yengi pararupa. You see this sutra. Eti edati utsu is there. After that, atascha is there. Upasarga, riti dhatu is there. Vasupya pishlehe. All the sutras are there. Don't worry about that. But what is the immediate following utsarga, which is yengi pararupa, right?
Mm.
See, eti edati utsu is there. And here, this vritti goes as anuvritti up to 92.
89.
In fact, starting from 89 up to 93, all these are
Okay. 92.
vritti. All these are vritti.
Okay.
All these are vritti section.
Yeah. Up to 92. Oh.
Up to 92, 93 also you can take it. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Eti edati utsu is apavada to the utsarga. What is its number? 90,
89.
94.
89.
And 94. Yengi pararupam. Apavada.
Yengi Pararam 94. Yes.
94. So, that upasarga, that utsarga, the first sutra, that is that utsarga, that follows without no other sutras in between. In the sense, the first is the utsarga vidhi, which follows with no antara, no gap. All the other sutras are vriddhi sutras. And the pararupa, which is apavada, is the immediately following sutra for this apavada sutra. Okay.
Okay.
So this purva apavada sutra will dismiss or will be apavada to the immediately following the utsarga sutra, yengi pararupam, not sutra which comes later. Omangoscha and all pararupa sandhi, right?
Mm.
Omangoscha, all those are up to 100, it's all pararupa sandhi. So that purva apavada cannot dismiss these sutras. That is what the paribhasha says. Understand now?
Mm.
Yes.
Okay.
The purva apavada can dismiss the immediately following utsarga sutra only. That one sutra, what follows immediately, that alone it can dismiss.
Okay.
Not the following sutras.
Okay.
Omangoscha, for Omangoscha, eti edati utsu is not apavada. That's what it means. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
So you read the Sanskrit sentence, you will understand.
Okay.
Having explained this, see, I'm reading from here. Eti edati utsu, that is 6189. Iti omangoscha iti asya apavadaha astiva nastiva. That is the question. Now you tell me, astiva nastiva.
Nasti.
नास्ति
Why? Anaya paribhashaya. Astharam anaya paribhashaya labhyate. What is that? Purastat apavadaha. That is purva apavada. Anantaran vidin badante. Anantara vidhi means that immediate utsarga vidhi badante negates. Na uttara, not the following the sutra.
Okay.
Prastaditi yukte utsarga sutrat prak. Before the utsarga sutra. Yengi pararupam, the sutra is there. That is utsarga sutra. For which the apavada is eti edati utsu. So utsarga sutrat prak. That is purastat. So purva apavadaha, purastat apavadaha, eti edati utsu. Now, anantaran vidhi. अनंतर विधिः इत्युक्ते उत्सर्ग विधिः यः अपवादात् अनन्तरम् अन्येषाम् उत्सर्ग विधीनाम् अपेक्षया other उत्सर्ग विधि, that is other उत्सर्ग विधि should not be there. Agachati, that comes first. So no other उत्सर्ग विधि should intervene the Purva Apavada Sutra and this Sutra. No other vidhi should come. If this is going to be the first Sutra, first उत्सर्ग विधि follows that, okay, that is called anantara vidhi. Ataha asyaha paribhashayaha artaha ayam apavada sutram tasmat anantarasya kevalam ekasya sutrasya eva apavada rupena karyam karoti. Clear? Apavada sutram, therefore anantarasya, that is immediately following, no gap. Immediately following the Utsarga Sutra, which is only one sutra, therefore it will be dismissing only that sutra alone in the form of apavada. Apavada rupena karyam karoti. Tadanantaram vidyamananam sutranam apavada rupena karyam na karoti. So, yengi pararupam is the Utsarga Sutra and eti edati utsu is the Purva Apavada Sutra. Therefore, Eti edati utsu will dismiss engi pararupam, but it cannot dismiss omangoscha because it follows the first Utsarga Sutra, which is engi pararupam. Is it clear?
Yeah.
yes yeah
Ataha atra eti edati utsu etat sutram kevalam engi pararupam iti asya eva apavada rupena karyam karoti. Clear?
Yeah.
Omangoscha ityasya na. Or it is not the apavada to omangoscha. This confusion is there among some people. Therefore, only the Kaivalya Upanishad, ava plus egi, avaigi they say. Why? Because they take the eti edati utsu as apavada to omangoscha, they say avaigi, but it is not. Because by this paribhasha, you cannot consider you cannot consider eti edati utsu as apavada to omangoscha. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
So technically, it is avegi only. Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga avegi. Avegi. People can misinterpret, not knowing the paribhasha. Paribhasha, then they will see it clearly. This if you don't know the paribhasha, then you will argue, yes, omangoscha is that. So ava plus egi is that. Therefore, eti edati utsu is purva apavada. That alone will apply. No, purva apavada will dismiss the immediately following utsarga, not the other utsarga vidhi. Clear?
Yes.
So, omangoscha, for omangoscha eti edati utsu being not apavada. Therefore, Shiva plus egi or ava plus egi pararupam alone will apply. Therefore, shivegi, avegi only. Therefore, ataha shiva plus egi iti atra paratvat omangoscha iti asya eva prayogaka bhavati. Natu iti edati utsu. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Tataiva ava plus egi avegi iti atra vritti rechi iti anena praptam vritti ekadesha एकादेशम् अपवादत्वेन बाधित्वा एकीपररूपम् इति अनेन प्राप्तं पदरूपम् एकादेशम् अपवादत्वेन बाधित्वा एति एदति ऊत्सु इति अनेन प्राप्तं वृद्धि एकादशं परत्वेन बाधित्वा आङ्गोष इति अनेन पदरूपं विधीयते. Understand? Ava plus egi, what you will apply vriddhi rechi, but you cannot apply. Why? Because engi pararupa will walk in. I will say I am applicable, it will say. But pararupam, for engi pararupam, eti edati utsu will come and say, no, I am the apavada for that, because eti is part of me, I have to apply, it will say. And what will say, all three of you keep quiet. I am the person. Be applied here. That is what it means.
Okay.
I think we can. My throat is paining.
Okay, Ji.
Oh, no problem.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Please go through the recording again, you will understand.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद शरण जी.